Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how we can check a variable or constant is equals to another variable or constant in JavaScript. I created a variable here called 24 and now I want to check this age is equals to another value. Okay, there are two ways to do that, strict equality and loose equality. In strict equality we use tree equals symbols. I'm going to show you the difference. Console.log, in the parentheses I can say age and tree equals symbols. This is strict equality and I can pass in 24. So this should print as true. In the terminal, okay, I can use node to run this JavaScript file. I can say index.js, which is the file name. Now it is showing us true. So what if we change this 24 into a string? Okay, and if we run that again, it is giving us false. So that's strict equality. I'm going to comment that out and go to the loose equality. Remove this 1 equal symbols, and now we are checking whether age is equals to this 24, which is as a string. Now it is giving us true. That's because in this strict equality, it is strictly checking whether the value and the data type of that operand is same as the left operand. This is the left operand, this is the right operand. And if we talk about this loose equality, if this right operand is different to first operand, this right operand will be converted into the same data type of the left operand and checking both values are equals to. Okay, so that's what's happening in loose equality, and I'm going to put a 0 there in loose equality and checking age is equals to 24. Now it is giving us same output, false. This is false. Now this is giving true, that because 24 is actually 24.0. Okay, and this one in strict equality, the value of left operand and the right operand should be same, and also the data type should be same. If we change this 24 to 24.0 and change in this one, that will give us true also. Okay, I hope this video helps. If this video helps, please subscribe. Thank you.